groundcover's unique eBPF sensor enables you to see request payloads and bodies, response payloads and bodies, along with correlating all of this data to logs and traces and metrics. We're going to dig in here. We're going to look for errors. And as I've done that, you'll see groundcover pulls up all of the errors here. And now, more importantly, what we can do is say, I'm really interested in what's going on in my HTTP services, where are my problems. And now I can see that we've got a number of HTTP errors going across the board here, and we can click in on any one of these. Now, I may care a little bit more about digging into latencies or other things like that. What's really interesting about this particular demo is that I've done zero code instrumentation here. eBPF sits in the kernel layer. It's completely passive, completely safe, but also allows us to capture things on the fly as they're happening. So let's take a look at this particular front end that's having an issue with the product endpoint. And immediately what you'll see, we've started to collect the headers. We've got the body for the response, the headers for the response, in addition to really cool things like all of the attributes about this thing, container information. We want to see things like what relevant logs are there, what context is there. All of this is done with zero code instrumentation whatsoever. If you're not getting the full picture, right, what went in, what came out, in addition to the environmental attributes around it, how are you supposed to solve the problem? Groundcover delivers everything you need to replicate that problem in the lab, do it efficiently, do it quickly, and drive that time to identify down, right, which is the largest component of our MTTR, as low as possible by giving your engineers everything they need to work with and solve a problem.